Abusia, yababiem GH Live, Kotoko Ahimfi, Yatanase, Sonko Kwansokra, na radio and somewhere ya brosu nibia, ena confirmation ba ni abete to na bibia awien kwenimdie so na yawo update ba kon efa confirmation ne ho na amanfo nso ebisa Lord Amwa ho sensem ene ade a ene Shokan Mohammed me pacho enya this video but me read this video Yakuta quick update. Ewo sa two players and one so yet ever some more subsequent video one and no ain't more edema in a team for now. Yeah, confirmation at the amount. A brand here at the dean at the Dauda Saaka. I join it Porcupine Warriors, Bokuno, and no ain't more edema in a team for Yadin Kaka, why any medical in ya bro so edema, come. Meno said bia. Official dom. Dauda'S Saaka. Adjoin Krobia Mapon Matema Sante Kotoko. Na yenimpefe sa kwadai yedin honsam mawa or 24 good years, 24 years. And akwadai or kama pa 24 years. And or and eneniama awien kunim jesua yedi tuja ama yenatie for na de tie nyina ene se emfia joni na ya akwadai wa wodi ba besi akan ama Asante Kotoko no pacho or sign miensa contract 3 years contract and our sign edi ama Asante Kotoko boku no 3 good years and a cratch no assign edi ama Asante Kotoko ya aware yenim dada say amount near 1.5 billion old city 1.5 billion old city a contract no a year and namua kopim the year 2027 the year of our Lord enti Dauda'S Saaka ebe Kotoko player until 2027 not just in Chemuni nyina ena yede ama yenetie for no pa pepe na yede MP so ede ama mo Dauda'S Saaka officially waya Asante Kotoko player 150,000 Ghana cedi that is 1.5 billion old cedi eno eni Chemono na idinkan kan players do bi ehon sam chro and then no kuna kwa medical Albert Amwa any medical ne Samson Patrick Asiedin so any medical but Dauda'S Saaka de no ena omo a confirming abana beto abontin official from Kotoko asuye but eba say I see a domusiko niema quick update ewa ho new say den so no ebesi akọ woni coach ena eba be ye juma coach and din e de prosper nate Ogum ena one na eba be ye juma na ye bisao se coach prosper nate Ogum e di asem na woka edi afa krachia na wa sign di ama Asante Kotoko boku no na coach na expressing excitement about the new addition to the team your friend is Asante Kotoko now say Saaka Dauda is a player of remarkable talent and character waiting some coach your friend say Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum eka edi afa the new acquisition awanya was Saaka Dauda is a player of remarkable talent and a character. Sabepe and Odi Tuja. I say his ability to influence the game both offensively and defensively makes him an invaluable asset. His leadership experience, having captain Bofuakwa Tano to a memorable Africa Cup final, will be a great addition to Asante Kotoko. And to coach Adidin and the Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum. Ninsani be enono. Now, Otwasu Chim say Kratchen, his ability to influence the game, he says so amount, both offensively and defensively, makes him an invaluable asset. His leadership experience, having captain Bofuakwatano to a memorable FA Cup final, will be instrumental in our quest for success. Adding a player of Saaka caliber who can contribute significantly in attack and also command the midfield aligns perfectly with our tactical vision. His experience and leadership will be crucial as we aim to compete at the highest level. We and in summer coach Nate Ogum Eddie Tudra Yenia di year pa Sianya Cratch and de Saaka Dauda Amana Bekan Kotoko Bobo Konimu Cratchy Sir or when him dia de Kwanimu Nanya Nesosa Boa Bechrebe defend the kama no in as much as your offensive player no Ebeyan Fasode Eddie Ama Bobo Kwa Asante Kotoko. Now, sir was any move to me. There's a leadership qualities in so OB. And I'm saying, our captain, but for Quatano Bobo no, where your coach Ogum and Sam and American a coach mu at the air no. ni odidie so sanya pagya kotoko ede kwa ni mu e wo traffic pempenso no saa pepepe na krache anya ni nsu beboa yen ama ye fra drum mu akwa adrum mu we coach nate ogum ne de eno no na player ya wa johnny asante kotoko yi ye fra no Saaka Dauda ono so dia na oka ede acha kotoko fraternity no ninsem nie or say joining Asante Kotoko is a dream come true for me. Having led Bofuakwatano to the MTN FA Cup final, I am eager to bring that same level of dedication and passion to this esteemed club. I am here to work extra hard and take the team to the top. I am here to offer the best I can to see the club at the top. Honestly, it's a dream come true to be here and to have the opportunity of working with Coach Ogum, whom I regard as top coach. Enti krache no nanumu nsem enie. Ema ni ji ema ho se pe na ayema da so nyina na ya se abamui. Na said the medical bobo kobo for kwanim ema ye call FA Cup final no. Sa pepe ni den gadindim gadam ni bi. Ena me de beba na ye de aba be wurem wokotoko ha. Me de ekunhu ahye mapa ena be wurem amakotoko. Na meye adwumaden abrode na meye no bofo akwa no mpo so na boa amane ma pe wo mimu no apue amakotoko nso akosro ma ho kaka yie pa semeni coach Ogum ba be adwuma nam se me fax a coach ni se woye coaches na eti atwede soro ni bia top coaches eno ensem akrachi arisa ede ahia no exclusively ye de atugya ama ye na tiefo na obi be bisa se hen na obo me pacho yenko tactical board no so yeni abrepa yeni geography tactical board no so ena ye kosi Dauda'S Saaka hen na obebo sa pepe me pacho hwe ena ababeto screen so no tactical board no enie na osha tactical board na on say ya three main position were left winger ena other position were center forward inti Saaka Dauda tactical board no so ena ye rano yes tactical board no so enie etifo nhwe ni yema me adofo minuano munhwe ni yema me pa tactical board no so no ena ye rano a osha left winger and any main position and oside to me boss as a center forward inti okoso a obofri benkum oba honom and any main priority place a ota epepa and afin so uja no a otimi ebo set number 9 and nso ni nchiremu exclusively ye de ema yanadofo a ena no pa wi anwumrei obi a oti enka bia no moti enka na etiecha mo na afia to aso e di info no amamo into this video yamu ahu nsem a coach Prosper Nate Ogum ekafa the new acquired player home and nsem a player na ankasa nso eka efa ni move or the abakotoko and ya show positional obebo enumpo de na daso left winger ena otimi nso ebo as a center forward into nchemu ni nyina no ena GH live yede amount no new player no Asante Kotoko anase ye nyina ye new player no owumfie aduonu enan 24 years ena owo mfie aduonu enan ena Saaka Dauda owo achese nei oba besi akan amakotoko yewo no the year 2000 yes the year 2000 March 17th the year 2000 enti ushomwa nurse usakra 24 years we ena yedi tuja ama in a TF exclusively na bibia awie pay me need Derek Saint Kizito yada said so woni yedi ahyiamu na confirmation na todwa no yaba besi so e de amount kama actual position a yenua no ebebo ene nsem on the todwa after na signing and afin so nsem a coach e de todwa afa no ho so yedi ni nyina atodwa e de amawo mera se me ba cho yedi dwumadie bi eba ya to din se wadwen ne sen wokotoko se de kotoko ko edi na wo e kafa ho ya ye first episode enche be upload ye ko China ton e de konya obi anase obi fresh me nia no me no be bonkomo na de kotoko China fo no som enya gro ye kuta bi wa ha wo hu China ni a sabio wa tokotoko jesi a wo hye enya sem kuma ye next episode ekono ye de be ba nti se also pesa wo ye part and parcel of it what join say wokotoko ho what join say and for that matter Ghana bobo ho ni nyina mo no me pa cho friend number and as a WhatsApp this number yes it's important WhatsApp this number +233 5300 44341 233 530-044341. Me pacho WhatsApp ya no be schedule kama na ya din komo ya be ma link obeba be da your screen so said ya me da so yi na me so me da ha na da ha na ya din komo ya ye first episode enche be upload interesting, very interesting. Kotoko no enye nkwada o enye nkwada asem kra ye ko China na China hwa ye wo no ye ko ye no said your brother na chechi mu ama a video footage China circle a uma bie any ade no me pa chonya ketua you can't wait say obeti enka e was our episode nti so pesa wo ye bi wo Israel wo Botswana wo Mongolia Equatorial Guinea wo Germany wo Paris France and I say wo Tonga Gondwana land be bia wo bia no me pa cho fe +233 and I wo Ghana mpa +233 530 04 341 me pacho mi sisu bi ama and na screen and I say scroll e down hey 233-530-044341 fre na ye make date na no so ending come what dream say e wo crop bia metema ma poma santi kotoko yes ye dey see na yakoye next episode so me dey Derek Saint Kizito Oscar Mark Boutique and equita imu a ye dey dwumadie ehia on tentam so ani kaso a aye krabehwe pa ye dey GH live kotoko ahemfie.
Subscribe to GH Live.